Green juice, a blend of green vegetables like kale, spinach, cucumber, celery, and parsley. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Carrot orange juice, a delicious combination of carrots and oranges, rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and potassium. Beetroot juice, a rich source of iron, folic acid, and antioxidants. Beetroot juice has been found to have numerous health benefits, including improving athletic performance and reducing blood pressure. Apple ginger juice, a combination of apples and ginger, is an excellent source of fiber, vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Pineapple turmeric juice. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion, while turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce pain and inflammation. Watermelon cucumber juice. Watermelon is a rich source of lycopene, an antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Cucumber is rich in vitamin K and potassium and can help reduce inflammation. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is a rich source of antioxidants and has been found to have numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease and lowering blood pressure.